Today, I am going to talk about the changing appearance of the Moon as it orbits the Earth. The Moon orbits the Earth and takes 27.3 days to complete one orbit. The Earth orbits the Sun and it takes 365.24 days to complete one orbit. The Moon is spherical in shape, and so only half is illuminated by the light from the Sun. The portion of the half that we can actually see depends on the Moon's position as it orbits the Earth. This varies from 100% at full moon to 0% at new moon. The varying appearance of the Moon as it orbits the Earth has been divided into 8 phases. We will shortly be looking at each of these different phases as viewed through a telescope. It is important to note that although it may appear that the Earth, Moon and Sun line up in a straight line in the following images, this is not the case. Such events are comparatively rare and associated with solar and lunar eclipses. Phase 1 is referred to as new moon, when we cannot see any part of the Moon's illuminated surface, and so the Moon is not visible at all. Phase 2 is crescent shaped, and during this phase it is said to be waxing or getting bigger. Phase 3 is referred to as the first quarter moon. The term quarter refers to the extent of the Moon's passage around the Earth, and not its shape, which appears as half the disk of the Moon. Phase 4 is a waxing gibbous moon. The term gibbous means bulging. Phase 5 is a full moon, when the entire disk of the Moon can be seen. Phase 6 is a waning gibbous moon. The term waning means reducing. Phase 7 is a last quarter moon, when only a quarter of its orbit is left to go, and the Moon appears as a half disk. Phase 8 is a waning crescent moon, and is the final phase before we start the sequence again with the next new moon. So here we see all the visible phases of the Moon: waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and finally waning crescent. The Moon is a beautiful and fascinating celestial object that has been observed and studied by man for thousands of years. I hope you have enjoyed our brief look at its changing appearance in the night sky.